Digestive system. Complete digestive tract is complete with the mouth and anus to opposite end of the body. Many arthropods have specialized feeding parts. Digestive system. Every mode of feeding is seen. Example: predators, filter feeders, parasites, herbivores, etc. Next, respiratory system. The respiration takes place with the help of gills or lungs or tracheal system. So some insects, it is with the help of tracheal system. They have tube-like structures called trachea. So gills are respiratory organs in most aquatic form, where lungs or trachea are seen in terrestrial forms. Body surface also help in gases exchange. Excretory system. They have Malpighian tubulus with specialized organ. They have removing waste protected from in their body. So if you try the look at the picture, this is insect, right? The upper part is stomach, this part intestine, this also portion rectum. This like have this tube-like structure, Malpighian tubules with help in excretion. Circulatory system, open circulatory system. They have open circulatory system. What is open circulatory system? They are move blood vessels. That means all the internal organs are directly blood. No system of blood vessels. Hemolymph. Nervous system. They have well developed central nerve system. The ladder like nerve system. The port ventral cord nerves turning through all the segments. The port ventral nerve cord running through this is one cord. This is one cord. This is another cord. This one cord, this another cord, this together appear ventral nerve cord. The run to all segments through out the nerve cords run. The port ganglia is formed in each segment. The port ganglia is formed in each segment. This present in the ganglia, segmented ganglia. This is ganglia. This is one of the segment ganglia. This is one of the segment ganglia. These are known as segmented ganglia. Brain are formed by fusion of ganglia of these segments. The head is well developed and pures the sensory organs and brain. Where is the brain? This is brain. The specialized organs, sensory organs also present. What are the sensory organs? Pigment ocelli with photoreceptor. They present here. Eye-like structure, bristles and their present cuticles which touch and chemical receptors. So their body surface is covered by cuticle also, and that cuticle is small structure. These are touch and chemical receptors. Reproduction. Sexes are separate. In arthropods, that is distinct. Sexes separate means dimorphism is exhibited. That is instance male and female is dioecious. Internal fertilization and terrestrial arthropods. External fertilization in aquatic arthropods. Internal fertilization in terrestrial arthropods. Type of fertilization is internal. The fusion between the male and female gametes which takes place inside of the body. External fertilization in some aquatic arthropods. So, terrestrial form. Internal fertilization, but the aquatic arthropods external fertilization. Aquatic. The fusion happened with the outside. The male gamete and female gamete to reduce the organism. Fusion have happened with the outside. Mostly Oviparous. What do you mean oviparous? Organism which laying eggs. There are known as oviparous. Many arthropods undergo metamorphosis. Metamorphosis means that direct or indirect development. Life history include many larval stages followed by metamorphosis. Metamorphosis means a change in the form and after habits of the animal after the embryonic stage during normal development. Examples: the transformation a caterpillar into a butterfly or a tadpole into a frog. Arthropods, some examples: Lemurus, the king frog living fossils, the scorpion and Apis canibi, musca, housefly, vectors, Anopheles, Culex, Aedes, mosquitoes, economical important insects, Apis bombix, black insects, Lemurus, king frog. Okay, thank you students.